the realm of time and space, the story unfolds, a song untold, a tale of love and grace untold from the heavens above, a melody descends.
Okay guys, suppose Biblium fridge na ila diniti mo o ila rosi mo o ila medyo ko bet naman yan. Simple, you just finish la 3+ steps or all instruction pa give no screen you just finish tasong ko na finish lang you check mo say right or wrong. So finish screen instruction solo pa mi so him do right now. Muganwari, bumel bilya. So getting fed, you find a Biblium and we'll go to start here. You probably press it long the time. We go up info here. You look at him up info start here. You press him in. Pero sila. Okay. Now you go to storage and caches here. Storage and cache here. And you press him in. Right. Okay. You look at him. Clear caches na clear storage and you press him, you know him. Okay, clear storage to you press him na you press OK. So belum saya belum ni Biblium on right, so mena ba press OK. So suppose Biblium na good, you press OK. And one blah okay na blah go back and so le you go first stop talo kona labe triangle sign here, first stop right, first stop and you press it this na you press it OK. I'm not blah na you try suppose I'm not work. Okay, you need to update the Biblium. You go to any Play Store, control of your Play Store. Okay, go to search button on top here. Now you type a beep, press it search. Okay, so you can see Biblium install here, but Biblium me update the master zone na I'm run right now. So suppose you look at I'm going to will update sign basta blow side blow open let me bueno bal ko open bal ka update sign basta lang. I'm sorry been 3+ steps na suppose I'm still no work. You need to delete him conversation here because some plan the storage full up na isla kain so pam doon conversation na plan ito mas na man beep na isla kain voice text number SMS ka na isla kain pula plan tin na may storage lo beep full up so making no from the Biblium fridge na mat lo receive conversation where time yo ko text na isla kain hard because I'm full up so you need to clean him isla kain. You can check another video where maybe me making them stop and outlaw delete him all the big conversations like one click, just one click as well press him to on the button or conversation or something we you have into the claim or voice text is like go that browse one more time so and pay look same Biblium clean again you can use him. That's the end of our video and have a super video and help you through never doing like do I'm solving the problem do press me like one something but na subscribe na give me thumbs up ba help me to so help you so help me in balance situation thank you.
In the realm of time and space, the story unfolds, a song untold, a tale of love and grace untold from the heavens above, a melody descending.